Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Blooming po.
3 ways to build loyal customers. Loyal customers are very important para sa mga small business like us, especially kapag nagpapakilala ka pa lang sa market. Big percentage of our sales comes from them, kaya we believe na importanteng makabuild ng loyal customers. And sometimes, sila pa nga ang magpo-promote ng business mo sa kanilang family and friends. So here are the 3 things we do to gain a loyal customer. First, consistent to provide quality menu to our customer. As much as possible, we try our best to be consistent in what we do. This is actually not easy, lalo kapag napagod ka na due to huge amount of orders sa isang buong araw o minsan nalilipasan ka pa ng gutom. Which is nangyayari talaga sa gantong industry. But no matter what our situation, our team try their best to give you the quality coffee and food that you deserve. Second, good customer service. Here at Blue, whether you're an elementary student, high school, college, professional, or anumang antas sa buhay, we make sure na same experience of customer service ang ma-deliver namin sa lahat ng papasok kay Blue. Third, distribute loyalty card. It gives our customers something to look forward to, mga rewards that can invite them to go back to our store. Actually, last holiday season, may free kaming tote bag, drinks, and tumbler. Kaya shoutout sa lahat ng loyal customers namin. Sobrang thank you sa support nyo kay Blue Bean. You mean so much to us. Bye, Bluedies!